Most luxury cars age poorly, with expensive repairs and failing electronics that quickly erase the appeal of buying something used. But a few vehicles from Lexus have built a very different reputation. So if you're thinking about buying used luxury in 2026, these are the 10 Lexus models known for reliability and long-term value. 10. Lexus NX 300. Starting our list today is the Lexus NX 300, which is a compact luxury SUV that has quietly built its reputation for dependable ownership and relatively low running costs. For buyers entering the used luxury market in 2026, it often represents one of the safest and most accessible Lexus purchases. Under the hood, the NX 300 uses a 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, producing 235 horsepower and 258 pound-feet of torque, paired with an automatic transmission and available all-wheel drive. This vehicle focuses more on providing the drivers a smooth, everyday driving than the performance, but it has proven to be reliable across multiple model years. Reliability data backs that up. Across recent model years, the NX platform carries an average reliability score of about 84 out of 100, placing it firmly in the excellent category for compact luxury SUVs. Some years, like the 2019 and 2020 models, score even higher at 88 out of 100. Ownership costs are also relatively reasonable for the segment. The NX averages around $690 per year in maintenance and repairs, slightly below the average for luxury compact SUVs, and owners experience unscheduled repairs only about 0.3 times per year, which is roughly half the segment average. Because of that balance, the NX 300 is ideal for buyers who want a modern luxury SUV with strong reliability, but without the high ownership costs often associated with German competitors. For commuters, small families, or first-time luxury buyers, it's one of the most practical entry points into the Lexus lineup. But before we go any further, let me first answer how these Lexus models are actually being judged. What are the criteria we're trying to check here? Because in 2026, the philosophy of simple engineering creates an interesting opportunity in the used market. Many Lexus models depreciate like typical luxury cars during their first few years, but unlike many rivals, their reliability and maintenance costs remain closer to mainstream vehicles. So for this list, we're looking at 4 things that really matter for a used luxury car in 2026, which includes long-term reliability, actual maintenance costs, the resale value, and proven longevity. In other words, not just cars that can last, but cars that make sense to own. And when you look at Lexus through that lens, a few models start separating themselves from the rest. 9. Lexus IS F. At number 9, I present to you a Lexus which proves that performance cars don't always have to sacrifice reliability, the Lexus IS F. Released as Lexus's first true high-performance sports sedan, the IS F combines actual speed with the brand's forever reputation for durability. At the heart of the car is a 5.0-liter naturally aspirated V8, producing 416 horsepower and 371 pound-feet of torque, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. As a result, we get a sedan capable of 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 4.6 seconds, and a top speed around 170 miles per hour. Performance numbers that still hold up surprisingly well today. But the actual thing we need to pay attention to is the durability. Reliability ratings for the ISF are unusually high for a performance car, with owner reviews averaging around 4.8 out of 5 for reliability, and some studies giving the model a perfect 5 out of 5 reliability score. But there's also depreciation. When it was new, the ISF carried a price tag of roughly $60,000, putting it directly against German rivals like the BMW M3 and Mercedes C63. Today, many used examples can be found for $25,000 to $40,000, meaning buyers get the V8 performance for nearly half the original cost. For car enthusiasts who might want a reliable performance sedan along with a naturally aspirated engine, the ISF becomes one of the most unique used luxury bargains on the market. But interestingly, the next Lexus on our list proves that reliability isn't limited to older V8 sports sedans, because sometimes the safest used luxury cars are actually the ones built for something completely different. 8. Lexus LS 500. At number 8, we're going to be shifting from performance sedans to something much different. Lexus's flagship luxury machine, the LS 500. This is the car that represents everything the brand knows about engineering, comfort, and long-term durability. When it first launched, the LS 500 sat at the very top of the Lexus lineup, with a starting price of around $75,000 to over $90,000 depending on options. Under the hood is a 3.4-liter twin-turbo V6, producing 416 horsepower and 442 pound-feet of torque, paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission designed for smooth power delivery and efficiency. Despite its complexity, the LS platform has historically been one of the most carefully engineered vehicles in the luxury segment. Lexus flagships are famously overbuilt, with their thorough durability testing and extremely tight manufacturing tolerances. This reputation goes back decades, which is why many LS models are known to exceed 200,000 miles with proper maintenance. But what makes the LS 500 especially interesting in the used market is depreciation. Luxury flagships tend to lose value faster than smaller vehicles, and the LS is no exception. In just a few years, many examples drop from more than $80,000 when new to roughly $45,000 to $55,000 on the used market, allowing buyers to buy such luxury for nearly half the original price. And the same philosophy of over-engineering is exactly what makes the next Lexus on our list one of the most dependable daily cars the brand has ever built. 7. Lexus ES 350. Coming in at number 7 is the Lexus ES 350, the brand's mid-size sedan that balances luxury with comfort. It is powered by a 3.5-liter V6, producing 302 horsepower, paired with an 8-speed automatic. The ES 350 has been a favorite for drivers seeking a low-maintenance but high-comfort vehicle. Its simple yet refined drivetrain keeps repair rates impressively low, with annual maintenance averaging $400 to $500 according to industry studies. The ES 350 has a long track record of dependability. Over 80% of ES 350s from the 2015 to 2020 generation reportedly exceed 150,000 miles without major engine or transmission issues, a testament to Lexus's consistent engineering. Its smooth ride, quiet cabin, and conservative styling have helped it remain desirable in the used market. But why does the ES 350 outperform even newer luxury sedans in long-term ownership satisfaction? What hidden engineering choices give it such an edge over competitors? The answer lies in Lexus's focus on component longevity and conservative tuning. Every major engine and transmission component is overbuilt. Electronics are intentionally simplified, and suspension parts are durable without being overly stiff. And so we get a vehicle that consistently delivers low repair frequency, minimal unexpected costs, and owners who keep them for 10+ years, which is proof that you don't need flashy tech to achieve legendary reliability. 6. Lexus RX 350. Moving on, we have the Lexus RX 350, the SUV that defines the brand's success in the crossover segment. Ever since its release, the RX has been one of Lexus's best-selling models, combining luxury and comfort in a package that appeals to families and everyday drivers alike. Under the hood, there is a 3.5-liter V6 producing 295 horsepower, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission in recent models. The RX 350 consistently earns top marks in reliability surveys, with over 85% of vehicles from 2016 to 2022 exceeding 150,000 miles without major engine or transmission repairs. Maintenance costs remain reasonable, averaging $450 to $550 annually, which is low for a luxury SUV of this class. Another key advantage is the resale value. Even used RX 350s hold 60 to 65% of their original value after 5 years, leaving behind most of the competing luxury crossovers. The combination of a durable, comfortable ride and Lexus's reputation for dependability makes it a safe and practical choice for long-term ownership. With strong reliability, excellent resale, and consistent performance, the RX 350 is a proven investment for anyone seeking a hassle-free used vehicle in 2026. Loving the list so far? If you're enjoying these top reliable Lexuses, Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss future videos like this. 5. Lexus NX 300 or RX Hybrid. Coming in at number 5, the Lexus NX 300 and RX Hybrid models offer the perfect combination of luxury, fuel efficiency, and legendary reliability. Using Toyota's hybrid technology, these vehicles pair a gasoline engine with an electric motor, creating a smooth, efficient driving experience while reducing fuel costs, and owners report up to 25 to 30% savings on city driving. But are hybrid components really as durable as their conventional gas counterparts? Many drivers worry about battery lifespan, inverter reliability, and potential repair costs for older models. Don't worry, because the answer is positive. Lexus hybrids use well-proven Toyota hybrid systems, and studies show that even vehicles over 150,000 miles maintain healthy battery performance with minimal degradation. Combined with Lexus's reliable powertrain and low maintenance costs, which would come out to be around $500 per year, these hybrids prove that fuel savings don't come at the expense of longevity. Whether you're commuting daily or taking longer road trips, the NX 300 and RX Hybrid offers lower running costs and a track record for its durability, making them one of the smartest used Lexus choices in 2026. 4. Lexus GX 460. At number 4, the Lexus GX 460 stands out as a premium SUV built on the legendary Toyota Land Cruiser platform. While it wears a luxury badge, beneath the polished exterior lies body-on-frame construction, solid axles, and a proven V8 engine, all traits designed for durability and long-term reliability. Its 4.6-liter V8 produces smooth, dependable power, and owners consistently report engines and transmissions running flawlessly past 200,000 miles. The GX's off-road capability isn't a trap, because with the skid plates, high ground clearance, and a robust four-wheel drive system mean it can handle trails, snow, and rugged terrain without stress to the drivetrain. How can a luxury SUV survive what most trucks struggle with? Many expect higher maintenance bills and delicate electronics in luxury SUVs, but the GX consistently proves that isn't the case. And all of this is thanks to the simple mechanical systems combined with meticulous Lexus engineering. The GX 460 delivers decades of reliable use, whether on paved highways or backcountry trails. 3. Lexus GS 350. Coming in at number 3 is the Lexus GS 350, an often overlooked mid-size luxury sedan that combines comfort and long-term reliability. Inside, you have the 3.5-liter V6 engine, delivering smooth, responsive power. And thanks to Lexus's engineering, it's known for minimal maintenance issues and longevity well past 200,000 miles. Owners consistently praise its durable automatic transmission and conservative tuning, which reduce stress on engine components and drivetrain systems. But why has the GS 350 been hidden compared to other Lexus sedans? Is it simply a matter of style, or is there something about its engineering that sets it apart in the used luxury market? Despite being discontinued in recent years, the GS 350 has gained a reputation for reliability and strong resale value. Its combination of sturdy mechanical components, well-built interior, and manageable maintenance costs, which would be something around $500 to $700 per year, makes it a hidden gem for those seeking a luxury sedan that lasts long without drama. For drivers who want a refined, powerful, and dependable used car, the GS 350 is an excellent choice, as it is one of the rare Lexus sedans where performance and reliability meet, proving that understated models can often outperform flashier options in the long run. 2. Lexus RC F. And on number 2, we have the Lexus RC F. It is a high-performance car that mixes raw power with long-term reliability. Unlike many modern sports cars that rely on turbocharging and complex electronics, the RCF uses a naturally aspirated 5.0-liter V8, delivering 473 horsepower without the typical forced induction headaches. This simplicity is key, as fewer turbo components mean less stress, lower maintenance risk, and engines that stay strong over time. Its rear-wheel drive layout, adaptive suspension, and precise engineering provide thrilling performance while maintaining mechanical dependability. Owners consistently report low incidence of engine or transmission failure, and maintenance costs are moderate relative to its performance class. But how does a high-horsepower sedan remain reliable when most performance cars see expensive repairs after 100,000 miles? The RC F proves that you don't have to sacrifice reliability for speed. It's a car that can be driven hard on weekends, enjoy spirited daily use, and still retain its value and mechanical integrity years later. For enthusiasts seeking a dependable, naturally aspirated V8 coupe, the RC F offers a rare combination of thrill, longevity, and ownership peace of mind, making it one of the most reliable Lexus performance models on the used market today. 1. Lexus LX 570. Topping our list is the Lexus LX 570. This is the ultimate full-size luxury SUV you need, and a shining example of Lexus durability. Based on the legendary Toyota Land Cruiser platform, the LX 570 inherits decades of proven engineering designed for extreme reliability and long-term service. Its 5.7-liter V8 engine, along with a robust 6-speed automatic transmission, delivers smooth power, while the body-on-frame construction ensures the SUV can handle heavy loads, off-road conditions, and long-term wear better than nearly any other luxury vehicle. Owners report mileages well past 300,000 miles with routine maintenance, and repair issues are often minor compared to competitors. Its suspension, drivetrain, and electronics are designed conservatively, prioritizing durability over flashy tech that can fail prematurely. As for the resale values, the LX 570 also retains them exceptionally well, with used models holding a significant portion of their original price thanks to their legendary reliability. But why does this SUV command such loyalty even years after its release? The answer lies in Lexus's careful balance of luxury and mechanical resilience, proving that ultimate reliability isn't only about the parts. It's also about the philosophy, design, and consistent engineering excellence. Lexus vehicles last because of a relentless focus on reliability, conservative engineering, and proven Toyota-based platforms. Their resilient engines, strong structures, and high-quality build materials are complemented by Lexus's attention to detail and thoughtful maintenance design. Of course, even the most durable Lexus requires routine care like oil changes, inspections, and fluid checks are still essential to achieve that legendary lifespan. Which of these reliable Lexus models would you choose for a stress-free, long-term ownership? Comment below with your favorite and share your experiences. And if this video helped you think differently about how you save money with your vehicle, hit that subscribe button.